Hey everyone, I've been getting a lot of questions about Blink charging and Blink charging stock. So in this video, I thought I'd provide a brief overview and highlight what's going on with Blink charging stock. So let's get right into it. So Blink is the only fully integrated charging company in the US market today. They offer flexible business models. They control the design, manufacturing, and network services. So their products have been designed to meet the charging needs of drivers, fleet companies, municipalities, auto manufacturers, commercial real estate owners, and property managers. So essentially, anyone who could use EV charging stations, Blink Charging aims to serve them. They want to go after the whole market. Commercial users, enterprise users, individual users, governments, institutions, all of that. They want to serve all of the EV market there. So they own and operate chargers, and they also sell chargers and services to their host, right? So they work with hosts to offer different services. Do you want to buy the chargers from us and then you own it and you operate it? Or do you want to let us own and operate the chargers and then you get to benefit because you have those charging stations on site, which could attract people to, if you're, let's say, a retail establishment, it will attract people to your stores because they know they can get EV charging during their visit to your store. So it's up to the property owner to decide which type of ownership they want to have, how they want to go about the process of installing EV chargers at their sites. And that's good news for Blink because it offers flexibility. Some owners may have the capital and they may want to own and operate themselves, and some owners may not have the capital to invest in EV charging stations, but they want to have that flexibility, that convenience for some of their customers that do have and own electric vehicles. So that flexibility gives Blink charging a bigger market opportunity. So in their latest quarter, their revenue increased by 121% to 21.7 million. The company is growing rapidly. In the first quarter, they contracted, sold, or deployed 6,461 chargers, which represented a 103% increase compared to the first quarter of 2022. And a little over a week ago, they acquired a company called Envoy. Envoy is an EV car sharing company which was acquired by its subsidiary Blink Mobility. And the reason why they did this is because they got a $7 million grant awarded by the state of New Jersey to implement ride sharing services and charging for electric vehicles in underserved communities. So they used that government grant to make this acquisition cheaper and thereby opportunistically making that acquisition. So I think Blink charging investors can feel good about that. There's a lot of government money going around encouraging the adoption of electric vehicles, and it's good to see Blink Charging looking to capitalize on these opportunities wherever it can. And then on March 16th, they announced that IDIQ contract with the U.S. Postal Service, which is a huge deal for them, to provide up to 41,500 electric vehicle charging stations and network services provided by Blink and others. And they've already shipped the first order in April. That's a really big deal. And that's a really big step in the right direction to get your foot in the door with the US government. You do a good job servicing and delivering on this order, and that opens the door for other government institutions to get your charging network employed by other government institutions. Think about all the U.S. government institutions that exist. If you do a good job with one of the bigger ones, the Postal Service, that'll open up opportunities for other areas that you can get contracts for and really expand more rapidly. All right, but that's all I've got for this video, this brief overview of what's going on with Blink charging stock. Thank you so much for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.